friends, today we will discuss about another technique for material control, that is just-in-time inventory system, a modern inventory management technique designed to increase efficiency, cut cost and decrease waste by receiving goods only as they are required. This concept was first developed and applied in the Toyota manufacturing plant, Japan, in order to meet consumer demand with minimum delay. The key concept of just-in-time is to lower the inventory holding cost and thereby improve the cash flow and lessen the dead stock, that is the unwanted stock still in the warehouse. The process involves ordering and receiving inventory for production and customer sales only as it is needed to produce the goods. This system is also known as Toyota Production System. The prime objective of just-in-time system is to increase the inventory turnover and reduce the holding and all connected cost. The main focus of just-in-time is to identify and correct the obstacles in the production process. The three aspects of just-in-time inventory system involves JIT production, JIT purchasing and JIT delivery. Just-in-time production aims to produce the required items of high quality exactly at the time they are required. Just-in-time purchasing requires to make arrangements with the supplier to deliver materials just before they are needed in the production process. And finally, JIT delivery or the just-in-time delivery is the ability of a carrier to meet a customer's demand requirement for short transit time, without which the whole system of just-in-time will fail. Few successful companies that follows just-in-time inventory system includes consumer electronic giant Apple company that keeps as little inventory as possible by lowering the amount of stock in hand. Apple carries a lower risk of overstocking and dead stock in its warehouse. Similarly, Kellogg's produces perishable goods, makes sure that just the enough products are made to fulfill orders and limited stock is kept in hand. Xiaomi, like Apple, manages a small inventory by releasing limited quantity of its mobile phones per week. The drawback of such a system is that eager customers have to wait for their items to hit the stores. The purpose of just-in-time is ordering inventory on an as-needed basis, means the company does not hold safety stock, operates with continuously low intervals. It requires manufacturer to be very accurate in forecast for demand for their product. The goal of just-in-time is to improve a company's return on investment by reducing the non-essentials. Just-in-time emphasizes the right first concept so that rework cost and the cost of inspection is minimized. The just-in-time approach helps to eliminate waste. Chances of expired or out-of-date products do not rise at all. Ultimately, the adoption leads in the elimination of overall production. Finally, by following just-in-time, greater efficiency and high quality products can be derived. I hope the concept of just-in-time is clear, which is a very important concept in cost accounting. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.